So MCP, if you've never heard of this protocol before, it's called Model Context Protocol. It's developed by Anthropic. And the whole purpose of it is to be an intermediary between the agent, which is the goal-based LLM, and then the SaaS tool that has your data, has your tools. It's like a standard interface. And the benefit that we've seen there is just a massive explosion of these tools. So now effectively there are thousands of MCPs, maybe tens of thousands of MCPs out there, which is, good and bad. And MCP kind of had a bad security rap, as I think we all know, just because it was very primitive, but like all things, they start insecure and get better over time. Anyways, what are you seeing in terms of people adopting MCP? And is there a particular solution with Tines that you've been observing as you look inside of a lot of these security teams?
Yeah, it's funny, when MCP first launched, we sort of took a look, and of course, the joke at the time was, the S in MCP stands for security, and so, we kind of felt that we have an obligation to our security first customers to make sure that whatever they're implementing, they get safe by default, and so we've taken a little bit of a wait and see approach to make sure that the technology actually does what our teams need it to do reliably, right? Because here, our mission is to power the world's most important workflows. And I don't think anybody, as they're thinking about their most important workflows, wants that seed of doubt in the back of their mind that something might go wrong. And so today, we have, some implementations where, our AI agent capabilities do have tool access, but it's implemented sort of in a little bit more of a Tines, specific way versus sort of, throwing MCP solutions at it. Now, we are bringing, MCP integrations and capabilities to market. But in my view, I think there's actually a lot of second mover advantage when it comes to some of these like brand new AI capabilities, where there's a lot of stuff that's just super cool to see people experimenting with. And we want to enable that experimentation.